With another CannaInvestor magazine update, I'm Dave Donlin. Our featured company today is EthoEx Corporation, which is located in the greater Sacramento, California area. EthoEx Corporation is a technology company focused specifically on cannabis sativa L applications. Current research, development, and manufacturing include production-scale hemp oil processing, full-spectrum mobile extraction platforms, industrial-scale fractional distillation isolation technologies, manufacturing engineering, cloud-based software monitoring, trending and analytics across all platforms. EthoEx Corporation utilizes the obtained intellectual property to create subsidiary or fully owned subsidiary business based on market analysis and demand. EthoEx offers disruptive technology, a validated market, business-to-business with EthoEx being headquartered in the United States, R&D laboratory, a scalable business with a strong management team with over 60 years combined experience. If you'd like more information, go to ethoex.com. If you like this video, please hit the like button and be sure to subscribe to this channel so you don't miss out on any future CannaInvestor magazine updates. For CannaInvestor magazine, I'm Dave Donlin.